Here we go, everybody. It is Prime Day. How exciting. I'm going to list a whole bunch of items. Every one of these items, by the way, are items I have and use and absolutely believe in and endorse. Now, I'm going to link them below as well, so you can click on it and check them out, possibly purchase them. We always appreciate that. So let's jump right into it. Items you have to have for Prime Day and survival. The first item, I just bought one of these a month ago. It is a pocket knife sharpener and survival tool. Has all kinds of benefits on it. And in reality, this would be great gifts for people too, but only $9.48. Make sure you get one. Next up, I love my Mossy Oak knives. These are fantastic, really good hunting knives, full tang, and they work very well, only 20 bucks. And when crap hits the fan, you're going to have to depend on hunting, so make sure you have a game processing set. This is a 12-piece set. I love mine. I use it every time I go hunting. And even better, if you're not familiar how to process game, this is the book for you. Only $6, $6.66. Basic Butchering of Livestock. It is a step-by-step guide for processing practically any meat you need when crap hits the fan. Now, in the area for self-protection, here's some pepper spray. I always recommend everybody has some of this. Everybody in my family does. Here is a 2-pack for 14 bucks. I absolutely love my tactical pens. I have so many of these, and I carry them wherever I go. So does my family. They work great for writing and for protecting yourself. And same thing with my tactical gloves. They work really well. They're perfect for keeping your hands a little warm. And also, look at this. They have these knuckles on here. Well, it's not for busting your knuckles. It's for busting other people, if you know what I mean. Make sure you have some of these. And everybody's familiar with the Ultimate Survival Handbook, the SAS Survival Handbook. Fantastic book, really small. Carry it with you wherever you go. Only $15. And if you're trying to keep things concealed, this Vanish Hunting Blind Burlap is fantastic. It amazes me when you put it on stuff how it really does blend in with the forest. There's so many multi-tools on the market, clearly, but this one I love. This is a 13-in-1 pocket multi-tool. It has everything you need. It's nice and lightweight. I carry this thing practically everywhere. Only 14 bucks. There's more expensive brands of these folding saws, but this one works just as well. It is very sturdy and is very effective in cutting wood. Only $16. And 3M offers a security film that makes your windows shatterproof. They're fantastic, but still transparent. This is a knockoff brand that works just as well for only $34. I talk about these all the time. They're called driveway alarms, and they're battery-powered motion detectors, and it's set up. You can put them anywhere. We take them camping, backpacking, and of course around their house too. 1,000-foot range, the receiver's super loud, and these are fantastic units to provide security around your house for 25 bucks. And of course, you need to barricade your doors, but having these alarms on there works very well. So if somebody does get through, it sounds off a very loud 120 decibel alarm to let you know somebody came in. Obviously, when you go camping, you use a bigger tent, but this is a very small, compact survival tent. Very nice. A lot of people think it has only one use, but you really can use it a few times and will literally save your life in an emergency. Same thing with this tactical bivy. It's an emergency sleeping bag. There's actually a 2-pack of these, so we always have a bunch of them for 14 bucks. However, having a tent is fantastic. Coleman makes really nice tents, great for outdoors, weatherproof, or even in your house in case you lose heat. Well, this will keep you nice and toasty warm as you sleep in it, like in your living room or on top of your bed. If you know me at all, I always talk about the GMC 320 Geiger Counter. Fantastic Geiger Counter detecting beta and gamma radiation. Very good. Only $98 and is something essential, obviously, in a nuclear emergency. LifeStraws always have a sale on their items. Here's a 4-pack of LifeStraws for $47. You can get some knockoff ones, but if you're going to get LifeStraws for your emergency packs, may as well get this one. Here's a 4-pack of emergency rain ponchos. Definitely will help you out if you have to do any type of walking during a crap hits the fan situation. Always nice to have these laying around. 15 bucks for 4 of them. And emergency blankets are always a great thing, but these are multiple packs that actually has other items too, such as whistles and such. You may want to also consider picking up an emergency fire blanket or a few of these. This is a single pack, and it's much more inexpensive than some of the bigger name brand ones. That way you fireproof your area. Very good for less than 10 bucks. And I've mentioned this on the channel many times. I have this emergency crank radio, all kinds of frequencies it picks up, and even charges your own devices too. This is an essential piece of equipment you have to have. 2-pack of LED rechargeable flashlights, high lumens. It says 990,000. I'm not sure if it's quite that bright, but it is ridiculously bright and rechargeable, which is good. You don't have to be fishing for batteries. And it does get a little warm, I admit, but I don't think it's overheating per se. It simply just gets warm because it's so much power. Every person in my family has one of these. This is a newer item to my inventory too. It's a Keychain Worklight for only $8. It is so bright, but it has lots of other options too. It has a magnetic base, a whistle, all kinds of different modes on it. It's a really nice piece of equipment. And when it comes to headlamps, there's things I want also. First, I want them rechargeable, but secondly, it's essential. It has red light so you can see better in the dark. I love these headlamps, 2 of them for $16. And I always recommend getting ham radios. Even if you don't get your license right away, it's good to have these. You can talk to each other, listen into emergency services and such. These are Baofeng rechargeables, 2 walkie-talkie radios for only $31. Definitely pick up these. But if you want something simpler to use, we have tons of these for our families. Cobra walkie-talkies, 22 channels, long range, 2 of them for $47. And they're rechargeable, which is great. A small collapsible cookware set. It's a mess kit for backpacking or at least camping and cooking out. It's quite a large set and it has a lot of items for it, only $16. Make sure every person in your family has one. Fireproof, waterproof bags, and often these are metal too, so actually act as a Faraday cage. This is a whole set of them for $21. I love these. 300 pieces of compressed cotton towels. It's full towels in a little pill size. We put them everywhere in case we need them. You can use them for practically everything. $13 for 300 of them. And finally, a Noco Genius 5 car battery charger for 6 volt and 12 volt. Fantastic device, keeps your batteries and everything going, especially in crap hits the fan. This is one of the best chargers you can get that takes care of everything for you. Only $56. So there you go. Again, we linked everything below. We are Amazon affiliates, which means if you click on the link, purchase the item, we get a small amount of that money. Your price doesn't change, but it helps us out as a channel tremendously. Thanks for watching, and we're going to be putting more of these videos out too. We'll see you next time.